There are some changes coming to Microsoft Stream, so today I'm going to talk about New Stream, otherwise known as Stream on SharePoint. I recently saw a Microsoft notification that said by the end of August, estimated of course, that the IT admins are going to have the option to decide whether or not the Stream button in the app launcher goes to Classic Stream or New Stream. It's entirely possible, since this is currently rolling out, that one day you're going to hit that Stream button and it's going to take you to a place that you don't recognize. Now, so far on this channel, I haven't really talked about the New Stream because I was relying on several of the features in Classic Stream that hadn't translated over yet. A lot of those features have started to show up, so let's jump in and take a look at New Stream. First, let's take a quick look at Classic Stream and what happens today. If you go to office.com, select the app launcher, and then choose Stream, you will go to Classic Stream. When that page opens up, you have the toolbar at the top that allows you to manage your content, create new content, and search for videos that other people have uploaded. You may also see trending videos and playlists in the center of the screen. If we go to the Create menu at the top, you see that you can upload a video, create a group or channel, or even record a 15-minute video. Now, the ability to do groups, channels, and record videos is currently not in New Stream, but the Microsoft roadmap says that these features may be coming sometime later. We won't go over all the Classic Stream features. I just wanted to show it quickly so that you can know which one your company has implemented. If your admin has implemented New Stream, you'll see a page like this that looks very much like a File Explorer type page where you can see a few recommended videos at the top and then a bunch of videos just running down the screen below. The videos will be associated either with your OneDrive, a SharePoint site, or a SharePoint site that underpins Teams. In this example, you can see that I have one video that is associated with my Information Hub SharePoint site, and then a couple of videos that are associated with my OneDrive. One thing you may notice is that New Stream really doesn't have a lot of options to organize your videos. You do have at the top of the screen a couple of filters such as recently opened, shared, or favorites. If you go over to the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the search box for filtering by keyword, or you can use the drop-down for filter and select either time or activity. The activity filters, in my opinion, are a little more useful if you're looking for your content because it's all about created by me, at mention for me, edited by me, etc. Now let's talk about uploading videos. This is also going to be a little bit different. Previously, you went to one place to upload your videos. Now you're going to upload them in different places depending on your goal of where you want the video to be saved. When I click on the upload button from the Stream page and select a video from my computer, it's going to automatically upload to my OneDrive. As of right now, it doesn't actually tell you that it's saving to your OneDrive, and you don't get a progress bar to know when the video is going to be done. Whenever the video is done processing, it's simply going to appear on screen. My preferred way of uploading a video is to drag and drop the file onto the screen because now you get the dialog box that specifically says uploading to OneDrive and you get the progress bar. But just like before, as soon as the video is completely uploaded, it will also appear on screen. The one thing that's a little quirky is at this time, the upload to OneDrive dialog box doesn't disappear even if you hit cancel, so I've noticed that I just have to refresh the screen to make it go away. If the goal is to have your video available on SharePoint, then you need to navigate to the SharePoint site and upload it from there rather than the Stream interface. So right now, I just dragged and dropped a video into my M365 Information Hub. I also could have used the upload button if I wanted to. Now that we have a few videos on the SharePoint site, it will be treated like any other file. You can hover over the file name to see the sharing options or select the Show Actions menu to see additional options like Move to, Copy to, Version History, etc. Let's go back to the Stream homepage where you can also share your videos via an email, copy link, or even send it on over to Teams. Under the More Options menu, beyond sharing, you can add the video to your to-do checklist to remind yourself to watch it. You can also mark it as a favorite, which will make it easier to find later because you can navigate to the favorites icon and now you see just the one video instead of a long list. The other option that you may see, depending on your permissions, is the option to download the video. If you're not the owner of the video, this button may not show up for you. I'm going to go ahead and open this video file so that we can see where to go to update the video settings. Once you click play, in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see your video settings icons. Let's click on video settings, and here is where you will see the option to add a custom thumbnail and then decide whether or not the video description, transcripts and captions, chapters, and comments should be turned on or off. Let's start with the thumbnail. From here, you have the option to upload a custom thumbnail or choose a specific frame in the video to be your thumbnail. I just selected a custom thumbnail from my hard drive, and all I have to do is click Done if this is the one that I want to use. If I want to choose a frame from the video, all I have to do is drag the slider for the video until I find the frame I want, and then I will go back up to the thumbnail section and click Select this frame. So now my thumbnail is coming directly from the video. In this example, I actually prefer the one that I created on my own, so I'm going to switch that back and then select Done. Transcripts and captions are off by default. We're going to go ahead and turn those on before we look at any other features because it can take a little bit to generate. Once you turn it on, you'll see the option to generate English transcripts. Now let's also turn on chapter markers. When you do that, another menu item appears on the right-hand side of the screen. And the cool thing about chapters in NewsStream is instead of it taking up real estate in the details section, it has its own menu. You don't type in the chapter markers like you used to. You're going to go to the timeline below and drag the slider to the place where you want your chapter to be. Go to the pane on the right-hand side, type the name, and then click the check mark for Done. I'm going to put the video on fast forward and do this a couple more times so that you can get a feel for how the new chapter markers work. One of the upgrades to the new chapter marker experience is that the viewer of the video can see the chapter on the video timeline instead of having to go to the details pane to jump from one chapter to the other. If we zoom in on the timeline, you can see this little black line and the name of the chapter. Now let's go back to the video settings on the right-hand side and look at the About video. This is what you used to know as the details pane. You will give the video a title and type in whatever description you want. You're also going to get some upgraded formatting features such as using the bold, italicized, underline, bullet points, etc. You can also insert a link to a resource if you want to. The transcript should have had time to generate, so let's check it out. Here on the right-hand side, you see a full transcript of what is being said in the video. What I've experienced using transcripts in Microsoft Stream is you're going to find some mistakes that need to be corrected. You have the option to download the transcript as a VTT file and then make those corrections and re-upload it back into Stream. To upload the corrected copy, first you must delete the original. Once you do that, the upload button will appear. Click on that, and in the floating dialog box, you will select the file from your computer. Then you will click on Done. Now you have your corrected transcript in Stream. There are still a few key features that are available in Classic Stream, but not yet in Stream for SharePoint, such as channels, groups, and the ability to record a short 15-minute video. Some of these features are on the Microsoft roadmap, so I hope to see them soon. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.